Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're going to continue Sonic Channel Generations. Yes, we are going into the 4th episode, I think. What's that? I've been there? Yes, I guess so. Anyways, I pretty much explored everything I think. Everything that I can, because like this GUI thing, I can't do anything with it yet. I tried, so maybe it's the power up. Anyways, I did almost everything that I could. Anyways, we are going to go to continue with Windy Valley from Sonic 06. Let's see how it will turn out. Yes, let's go. Windy Valley. I have a love-hate relationship with it. Okay. I remember this. Damn, that was a combat.
Yes.
Can I still? Let's go. Oh no, I missed it. Damn. I missed the one so bad. Oh, that's cool. I love it. Here's the thing. Go. Let's go. Now we can use the Doom Surf. No proper stage because I did it on normal stage. I guess the collectibles in this section. Oh, I see it, but I don't think I will get it. Yes, I was too late. Oh, fine. But like game design wise, I love both it. The level design, the outside. There are lots of 06 haters. I'm not one of them. I love the game when it works. I will look out for secrets and off camera. Oh, what's that?
Chaos control.
I guess. Oh, that's it. Yes.
これが究極の力だ。
No.
よし。
I need later to figure out where is the collectibles. Ooh, I almost lost it. It was so close. Go. Tap her out. One more. Let's go. That's like the Sonic section before the max speed. But yes, there won't be. Like Sonic. Let's go. They were quite long. Nice. I'm not sure what the point of this. Oh, I missed it. Damn. Oh, that's the max speed section, but not the max speed part. Oh, I missed it. Then there's no terrain change. No. I guess yes, I won't get. Yes, I think. I had to. I needed to get like 4,000 points for extra rank. Let's go to the second act. It was kind of long. Maybe now there is. I don't think so. Could take the upper path. Like, oh, I didn't. I haven't thought about it. Doing the slam instead of like jumping and jumping. Anyways, I missed also the collectible. Next time I will be sure to get it. Go. Go. After round. Let's go. Let's go.
これが究極の力だ。いけ。
Go.
よし。カオスコントロール。
Oh man. What's the base point of that? Let's go. The second one. Okay.
Chaos control.
Oh, not enough jump. Oh, damn. Almost got me. Oh. I clutched it. Red. Like, I wish the normal Generations one was like that. I mean, like, the first act, Modern Sonic, is just a 3D level. The second act is just a 2D level. I'm not really a fan of Sonic doing a 3D level. Modern Sonic. But I must say I think I'm in the minority in this one. I'm not a fan of classic Sonic gameplay at all. Not a fan of 2D level and in it like at all. I'm not a fan. But I've got to accept it in the past years. Yes. I wish I won't be able to. I won't need to accept it, but there is big. I missed this big guy. Where is your big? Where are you, big? Big? Where are you? Rogi.
いやー、シャドウだよね。
Shadow.
僕の友達のカエルくん見なかった？
Kaeru-kun. I guess I know.
や
No, not too bad. You need to put a leash on this bro.
進め
Like a good pet owner, I guess. But I guess they are friends and not. He's not his pet. But anyways, I think it's the fourth one. I think the Sunset Heights. Let's see. Yes. It's the fourth one. The first level. I'm not a fan of others, but first level is quite nice. Yeah. Oh. That's a new gimmick. Not too bad though. Let's go. Now control.
カオスコントロール
Ooh. That's good. The design is already better than photo.
止まれえ
Oh, damn. That's badass. Damn. And it's a cutscene. I didn't do anything. Oh. What's that?
よしで貫け
What's that supposed to mean?
邪魔だ 邪魔だ今だ
Yes, I needed to stun one.
とどめだ
Go to the upper house, but I guess I missed it. Or maybe they are just... Yes, I think they are just... He has a stand. That's nice. Crazy. Damn. The level design eats out. Oh, finally. Damn. So what?
また貴様を倒してやる
Damn, that's a better slime. One more power up to speed you up.
何でもありのようだなだがこの程度で僕が止められるとでも
Oh. That's a strong. How do I get the last one? There it is. Oh, no, no. The last that's a bug. The last section. Section? I don't know how to call it. This level, radical I guess. This radical will change. But then, like this. God. Then. Then, I got it. Yeah. Like in the previous ones, when the level was changed, you didn't have to like, oh. Damn. This level is crazy.
これが究極の力だ
As in the previous one, you just need to boost. Oh, S? Damn. You just need to boost. Now you have actual level. Yes, sunset height. I was correct. The big guy. That's good. Now, second act. Let's see how it goes. I'm always forgetting. Anyways, the level change, the Spectrum does. What's that? Oh. Was just like a boost section in the previous two times. Now it's like a normal level, normal section, and not just yeah. The two levels here are what I must achieve. Ooh. Then now I can go back. That's what I hate about the 2D levels. The new games, I mean, the both games. Like, if you want to go back to where, yeah. If you miss something and you want to go back, they will let you. You need to do the level all over again. And it's kind of sucks. But of course, I'd rather do this level once and get everything, and maybe trace back. Then do this all over again and all over again until you get everything. Let's go. That's my biggest complaint though. Because it's a boost game, so you need the automation sometimes. And the dash panels. So. Oh, that's good. Damn. Finally. I almost failed. I love how out there are so many paths, but again, it hurts the level design sometimes. But I'm not complaining though, I'm just saying what I think. Some annoying stuff. But still the levels are impressive. And let's go. Restore sunset height. Yes, let's go. Like the team was scoring Sonic Heroes 4000, it's what you need. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Damn, that's crazy. It's like Shadow. Damn, that's
アークでの悲劇が起こる前の二人、まさか彼らの運命を変えられるのか。
that sounds crazy.
具合悪そうだけど大丈夫？
大丈夫だ。心配ない。安全な場所に避難を僕が何とかする。
More interaction, goddammit. This finally reunited then. Anyways, that's crazy. I've deduced that we were some kind of temporal anomaly. Therefore, I thought better not interact with too many elements to prevent paradox from occurring. Maria? Shadow, when did you become so strong and confident? When you were shot. That's crazy. Let's now. We came to the boss, I guess. They still want me to go to the boss, but like. I've already went to there. When I wanted to explore, I've came across this. Go. Damn. Stairs into my soul, I guess. Oh, I haven't seen it when I. Oh, that's new. First time I'm seeing it also this world. I did so many. Oh, that's mysterious one. Anyways. I will save all the stuff to another time. Anyways, I guess that's the the pages. Digital Robotnik. Anyways, that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. We've reunited with Digital Robotnik and Maria for now, and we are close to the next boss battle. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and also notification bell to get notified. And until next time, sayonara.